When I signed up for this walking experience, I thought it was going to be something like a paved path or guardrails or steps or something like that we have at state parks here, and when we got there, that is not what it was. No guardrails, and all I could keep thinking about was, if I fall, I'm going to die. I am deathly afraid of heights, so this was not a good mix. And I just kept thinking about how bad I wanted to turn around and just go back to the hotel. And I tried to hold somebody's hand, one of the people from the youth group, and they kept trying to hold my hand and then let go, and I didn't want that. So I found someone else, and that was Nelson, and he held my hand the whole way up and the whole way down. He was so sweet, and I feel like God used him, because without him I don't think I would have made it or would have been comfortable making it up to the top. And so I feel like God used him as a way to get me up there. And then when I got up there, it was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. When we had a worship service, we read the Bible and we sang songs in English and Spanish. And it was so awesome just to look over the mountain at something beautiful God had created and be with his people from different cultures and different countries, speaking different languages, all for the same purpose. It was just awesome to me to think about how, even though that situation wasn't as trialing as other things in life can be, but if you use a time in your life when you don't feel like you can make it and you trust in God, then just use what he gives you to help you through it, and then in the end you'll be able to see the benefits out of it.